I'm at one of a construction site and my friend called me up and asked me what's up, and she was nearby in the area, so I invited her in. And the first thing which she told me is that कि जब उसका अपना घर होगा तो वो हमें हायर करेगी, and we are rooting for her not because वो हमें हायर करेगी but because उसका अपना घर होगा. While talking to her, I realized कि कुछ ऐसी चीजें भी हैं जो आप अपने करंट लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड में ऐड कर सकते हैं. डजेंट मैटर इवन आप अगर एक रेंटल स्पेस में भी रह रहे हैं, ये काफ़ी छोटे आइटम हैं बट इनकी वर्थ काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, नॉट इन द सेंस ऑफ मनी बट इन द सेंस ऑफ लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड्स. Now enough with the lecture and let's get into the details.
Now picture this. Your bedroom is a sanctuary of comfort, but what if I told you that it could feel even more luxurious? Wondering how? Because it's all about the details. Now starting with your linens. Please skip the ordinary color patterns from your local market and opt for elegant linens which are not only soft but also adds a touch of luxury to your space. यूजुअली हम ये एफर्ट्स तभी करते हैं जब कोई फेस्टिवल आ रहा होता है या कोई गेस्ट आ रहा होता है, लेकिन हमें ये नहीं भूलना चाहिए कि हम भी डिज़र्व करते हैं एंड वी शुड ऑल्सो सेलिब्रेट आवरसेल्व्स एवरी डे बिकॉज हु डजंट लाइक टू बी पैम्पर्ड. Now this is something which I've experienced myself. Start using fancy cutlery for your regular meals क्योंकि आज भी घरों में स्टील की प्लेट्स यूज़ होती हैं. Even I also use it sometimes and such fancy things should be reserved for special occasions. Blah 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 blah. Arey, but that's what I am trying to convey here. That luxury is not always about cost, it's also about how we lead our lives. Have you ever heard someone say their cloud kiss selfie turned out to be really nice? Probably not, because we all prefer sun kiss selfies. Our last point is something many people overlook, but now it's gaining attention. Ambient lighting. I've noticed that tube lights are common in Indian households because they are bright, but they lack aesthetic appeal. So even if you use tube lights for reading or working, consider getting fancy floor lamps for a touch of luxury. Warm lights always create a calm atmosphere. Thank you for watching और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ do like, share and subscribe our channel.